We want to remove the factory discharge chute. This takes a 1/2 inch wrench. I found it easier to remove this end first with the spring. Set that up out of your way, then lift the flap, take this last bolt out, set the chute aside. Now we're going to install the no drill mount. Included should be the mount, 2 5/16 by 1 carriage bolts, 2 5/16 by 1 3/8 bolts, and the nuts to go with them. When you install this mount, these holes go to the top. Carriage bolt goes from the inside. There's 2 existing holes on the deck that you will put these into. We'll use a 1/2 inch wrench to tighten these up.